Hey everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to make a poster in Canva. If you're looking to create a poster for an event, a campaign, or a presentation, Canva is a great tool that can help you design something that looks professional. Even if you don't have any graphic design skills, in this 10-minute video, we'll show you step by step on how to make a poster in Canva, and we'll give you some tips and tricks to help you make the most out of this tool. Step 1. Define your objective. Before you start designing your poster, it is important to define your objective. What do you want your poster to achieve? Who is your audience? What message do you want to convey? Once you have a clear idea of your objective, it will be easier to choose the right template, colors, and images that will help you communicate your message effectively. And now for step 2, choose a template. Now that you have a clear idea of your objective, it's time to choose a template. Canva offers a wide range of poster templates from minimalist designs to more elaborate ones. You can browse through the templates and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're not sure which template to choose, you can search for posters that are similar to what you have in mind and get some inspiration from them. Step 3. Customize the template. Once you have chosen a template, you can start customizing it. Canva makes it easy to change the colors, fonts, and images in your poster. You can click on any element in the template and use the editing tools on the left-hand side of the screen to make changes. For example, you can change the font of the text, adjust the size and position of the images, and change the background color or image. Step 4. Add your own images. While Canva offers a great selection of images and illustrations, you may want to use your own images to make your poster more unique. To do that, click on Uploads on the left-hand side of the screen and upload the images you want to use. Step 5. Add text. To add text, click on Text on the left-hand side of the screen and select a text box from the options available. You can then customize the text by changing the font, size, color, and alignment. Step 6. Choose a background. Canva offers a range of background options including solid colors, gradients, patterns, and images. To change the background, click on Background on the left-hand side of the screen and select the option you want. And finally, on our last step, save and download. Once you're happy with your poster, click on the download button at the top of the screen and choose the file format you want. Canva offers various formats such as PDF, JPG, PNG, and more. You can also share your poster directly on social media or via email. And that is all. With these simple steps, you can create a professional-looking poster in Canva. Remember to experiment with different fonts, colors, and images to make your posters stand out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial.